Welcome to the HoloEdit's latest workflow enhancement. In this tutorial, we'll explore the exciting new concept of presets, which are designed to streamline your workflow in setting up tracks, stages, and their intervals within our new composition panel and timeline. In this video, we will cover new composition panel and timeline user interface, new preset box UI and preset management, how track and stage presets work together to prepare for processing, how to create and manage custom presets, how presets apply to intervals and their approach to clip optimization, plus automatic asset assignments and special setup considerations. Presets Overview. Presets, a new addition to HoloEdit, are designed to streamline the setup process based on your outcome goals and capture data. Whether you're aiming for head retargeting in a VR experience or producing AVV for virtual production, whether working with pre-stabilized data or not, presets have got you covered. Presets also help you to learn by example, providing a solid starting point to produce quality content and meet your production needs. Composition Panel UI Update. The Composition Panel UI has undergone a significant revamp, integrating the preset concept and fostering a stronger visual alignment from stage controls to clip intervals. Let's delve into the updated features. Here, notice the redesigned track and stage controls. They integrate a new just-in-time mini toolbar, relocating the Add Track, Add Stage, and Delete buttons, now including invisibility and lock buttons, plus adding local menus. The addition of the new preset box drop-down displays the current preset, plus offers selection and preset management. The Selection and Razor toolbar has moved down, now aligned parallel with the Timeline toolbar. Finally, dark linear graphics flow across composition stages to timeline intervals, tying them together while improving eye tracking. Preset UI and Management. Selecting and managing your presets is a breeze with the new preset box. At a glance, you can see the active preset for each track and stage in the preset box. Click to open and scroll to easily navigate a drop-down list, revealing factory presets on top with your custom presets at the bottom. Selecting any stage to see its preset parameters in the inspector. Changing any parameter creates a local override, revealing the reset button, which can return to the preset setting with a click. Creating a new custom preset with Save as New Preset button is straightforward. New custom presets are auto-named .1, .2, etc. with a renaming option. Only custom presets can be deleted when they are not used in the composition, but they can always be regenerated if used in other workspaces, ensuring lossless workflow throughout. Notice here that we are making different local overrides to both the stage and its interval, which share the same preset. The Save Preset button will commit all parameter local overrides to the given custom preset. All those sharing that preset will inherit this update, but any local overrides on those stages and intervals will be maintained. Track Presets. Track presets are turnkey processing setups ready to export and stream. With a simple click, track presets assemble prescribed stages and settings, saving time generating on-target configurations throughout your projects. First, to create a custom track preset, observe the No Preset default state. Simply add new stages manually, one at a time. Notice now that stages automatically generate full-length intervals by default. Then, create a custom preset with Save as New Preset and rename it appropriately. It's a snap to switch between track presets, but remember that it is a total replacement of all stages and settings. Remember, capturing local stage overrides in custom track presets is as simple as hitting Save Preset. Stage and interval presets. Every stage type comes with its own default preset, and for those particular cases, there are additional presets fine-tuned for specific outcomes. It's all about having the right options when you need them. Intervals apply the processing settings to every frame of a given clip, which are inherited by default from their stage presets. They can also override these parameters locally or with their own presets. Let's create a custom preset for compressed mesh segments. Here again, notice the local parameter overrides. With one click, you have a new custom preset. You can also commit additional changes to any custom preset, pushing the update to all applied presets while keeping their unique local overrides intact. To demonstrate, let's razor cut this interval into 3 different frame sections, allowing precise control along the clip and ensuring optimal results over its entire frame range. First, let's select the middle interval and go up to the inspector. Then apply the High Motion Compress Mesh preset. Next, select the left interval, followed by changing the max iteration setting to 115. Then select the right interval and change the max iterations to 120. Now, this compress mesh stage and its first and last intervals all share the special cloth motion preset, but both intervals have their own max iteration overrides. If we select and save the left interval version of the preset, you can see the right interval has maintained its unique max iteration setting. Same with its parent stage, it also maintained its unique local override. This non-destructive approach to updating keeps individual settings unique and allows them to be updated with a click of the Reset button. Automatic asset assignments and special setup considerations. Track presets are all about making processing setups easier, automating stage generation as much as possible. They're not just time savers, they're a solid jumping-off point to craft and refine your own track setups, tailored to the unique needs of each clip. But in some cases, there are special considerations that require manual interventions. Let's dive into the automatic asset assignment. When dealing with the transfer texture stage, you can manually assign textures by dragging a load asset name into the texture source input. But now, track presets for unstabilized data automates the asset assignment. This works even when mesh and texture are split into separate load assets. Note important detail. The auto assignment will pull off of the last load asset, and best practice has the texture load first and the mesh load second. Check out this example. Now let's look at applying a blend preset, including its manual interventions. Start off by dragging the first clip into the composition panel, setting up a new track. Then apply the blend track preset, and it automatically generates its full stage setup. Next, select the second load asset stage and drag the second clip into its asset ID. Now select all the intervals from the second load asset stage down and manually offset them to the right. Then select all the intervals from the blend stage down and pull their right end back until it aligns with the end of the first load asset. FYI, the blend track preset has auto-assigned the source stages A and B, pulling from the first and second clean stages. Plus, the transfer texture source stage is auto-assigned by the blend stage. Now that the blend overlap has been properly defined, it is ready to be processed. That wraps up our preset introduction. Please dive in and explore the power of presets. We hope they make your editing and processing workflow smoother and more intuitive, while elevating your projects to new heights. Thanks for watching.